Good morning. I just got back from a very sweaty workout. It is the first Saturday of spring, so I'm feeling like absolutely amped up. It's a beautiful day out and we are gonna go to the beach. Spend the day together.
I overheard that she was 19. She's got a fake ID and a nose ring. Those kind of girls tend to know things better than I do. And I'm dying to figure out what she's hiding. Just playing it cool, but she's lying better than I do.